Hello everyone, my name is Brent Mason. I'm the Executive Director for the Foss Waterway Seaport, and welcome to the Seaport, Tacoma's hidden treasure. Today is the beginning of a project where we are renovating our boat shop. Imagine your garage getting a makeover, and that's essentially what's going to be happening here. There'll be new tools, big tools, little tools, tools in between, but the space is just going to be welcoming to the public. The public will be able to watch our volunteers build the boats. They'll be able to interact with them. Our new boat shop could not have started without the incredible help of our staff, board, and volunteers.
My name is Barbara Tronka. I am on the board of directors with Foss Waterway Seaport. What's going on here right now is we are starting the framing of the walls that will showcase doors, glass doors, windows. The purpose of that is to enclose our working boat shop so that it is safe and secure from the rest of our museum exhibits.
I'm Luke Curtis, and I'm the Vice President on the board of the Foss Waterway Seaport. Hey, in week 3, the guys are making terrific progress in terms of framing in the boat shop and the roof, and they're putting in I-beams this afternoon and just making terrific progress. Having an enclosed area gives us a lot better opportunity for dust abatement, as well as soundproofing the boat shop when we've got the lathes going and the saws going.
Hello, my name is Julia BERG, and I am the Director of Education at the Foss Waterway Seaport. This week they are working on framing the upper parts of what will become the wall that separates this area from the museum. The framing has been progressing really well. I personally have been very impressed with how quickly they're moving along. So I spoke with the construction crew, and some of their colleagues are back at the shop, and they are actually fabricating the metal supports that will go against the columns and help hold up these walls. It's really just an amazing project.
Hello, my name is Mike Mayer. I'm the project manager for Mountain Construction. We're the general contractors on this renovation of the Foss boat shop. Today we've been drilling holes for our epoxy inspection. These are for base plates for our walls and the hold downs that go in them. They'll also be for the steel moment frames, keeping those anchored and fastened to the concrete below. So during an epoxy inspection, they make sure that the hole is clean and free of dust and debris, and that allows the epoxy to anchor fully to the concrete and also to the steel bolt that we're embedding in the concrete. So by cleaning them out, we ensure that the building is rock solid.
My name is Amber Fish. I'm the Foss Waterway Seaport Event Sales and Marketing Manager. I've been here for just over 2 years. Okay, so this week I've seen, it looks like lots more walls going up. They are putting up plywood on the shear walls, and then tons of welding going on, welding up the moment frames.
Hello, my name is Steve Keller. I'm currently the acting president for the Foss Waterway Seaport. I've been on the board for about 10, 12 years, and very much am proud of it. I'm from Tacoma. Today's project, they're laying down the plywood on the deck, and they're gluing it in place, nailing it to the floor, securing it for, I suppose, earthquakes, but they're above bar and above code, doing a great job. With the enclosure and the windows on the sides, you'll be able to see it, kind of hear what's going on, but more importantly, it's going to be a fantastic educational tool. Before, it was a dust storm. Kind of awkward, kind of piecemealed together. This is going to be very professional.
My name is Joe Teeger. Today only Dale is here. He's doing some painting, touch-ups, and small details on the framing and grouting. Doing trim for an overhead door, putting in braces on the small wall, in preparation for finishing this phase of the construction. Structural engineer did the site walk yesterday, just about ready for electrical and mechanical to come in. Mechanical has roughed out ductwork already. After all that is done, we go into sound insulation and drywall, and finally painting.
I think the thing that surprises me most about the boat shop project is the fact that it feels larger than what I expected it. Most people talk about the clean room, but I'm mostly surprised about how open it feels and that it doesn't seem closed in. And I think people, when they come to visit and to participate in the programs, are going to feel like they are in their dad's or their grandpa's or grandma's garage, only about 10 times bigger. Today the crew is roughing in the electrical for all the lighting and receptacles that will be in the boat shop. We are very much looking forward to being able to shed a little bit of light on this project.
This week a few ducts were put in to keep the air in the boat shop clean. Otherwise, they're waiting on a permit, so a slight pause in the work here. This is the 10th video I've shot of the boat shop construction, and it's been a fantastic journey watching the walls, ceiling, structure, electrical, and now HVAC go in.
I'm Tom Ossinger, and I'm a board member of Foss Waterway Seaport. I was hired by Foss Waterway Seaport to also oversee all of the construction projects on the building here. This has been a very exciting time the last 2 weeks in this project. We completed all the framing and got the necessary inspections from the city of Tacoma, and the next step was to sound insulate the walls and ceilings. This is done with a 6-inch thick fiberglass insulation for sound deadening, and in the ceiling of the boat shop we've not only installed insulation, but we've installed what's called resilient fern channel that helps keep the sound from transferring through the ceiling structure. On the ceiling of the boat shop, we've installed a crane rail. This steel rail allows for moving boats through the boat shop and into what we call the clean room, where they'll be finished and painted.
Done, finished. Our new renovated boat shop is painted and complete. We are so looking forward to having visitors witness our craftspeople create boats and holding classes in this new space.
We're going to be able to offer programs and plans for boat building.
The world is really our oyster right now with the possibilities for what we can do with this space.
This gives people who are real artisans in terms of restoring wooden boats and canoes, kayaks, an opportunity to restore these boats that are real classics.
Really, it's about preserving the skill and the craftsmanship of wooden boat building. We don't want it to go away. This is part of Tacoma's past, present, and future.